guys, back with another video, and this one is me installing. So this is like part 3 from the other two, but I didn't write it. Me installing myself, because I never install it with the lace. Maybe a closure, but that's about it. But this, I never installed it with lace. I have to like customize it or whatever. But that's what I'm gonna do for this video. First time doing it, cutting the lace myself. So let's get into this shizzle. Now, I already braided my hair. Looks a mess. You guys gotta tuck this first. I'm gonna push my edges, baby hair back. Push it back. Push them back. I think how long I did my braids? I don't know. But been in for a good while. And this is what I'm using to press it down. This edge fixture. Oil my scalp. I'm gonna use La Belle Chivia, the wig Gore. I like her oil. So cute. Now the cap. Not doing all that holy stuff. That is not for me. No, ma'am. Okay, so we're gonna use the Almighty Bond Kiss. It has two. This is my first time using this one. I seen it. I was like, let me try it. Because I thought the glues, I don't know. It works, but it's like, oh. We're going to use the silicone part. We're not going to put it by edges. Okay, so I'm just gonna deal with this and I'll be back. And the glue, don't forget, Almighty Bond. I'll tell you how it is after. Okay, so we're just gonna let it dry now. Let me add some more. Ain't got nothing. Got you. I don't know much about algebra. 1 plus 1 equals 2. But you and I got nothing but the both of us. But you. Here it is. Okay, just let it dry. See, it's drying pretty quick. Oh, yeah, right, pretty quick. This is the first. I don't know if I'm gonna add any more. This should be good enough, but if I do, I'll let y'all know. And I'll be back. Okay, now we're just gonna, instead of cutting there, so far so good. See, it melted nice. Yes. Let me stop being an ass. I'm a big ass. Okay, I'm gonna cut back when I finish. Cut the whole shit off. Okay. I was struggling, but I got it. I actually might continue using that glue. I got stuck up. I wasn't sure, but so far it's good. We gotta test it on the wig. and then we'll see. That's the true test. You feel me? Yeah, I'll be back. You see how I put the back? It doesn't come out. Hopefully. Okay, so we're just gonna see all this. We're just gonna add the. They have another part. This part. This is actually nice. Usually when I don't use glue, I use that. I think I fixed my forehead right. It's not on my edges, so that's good. When some people do it, it's like it's on my edges, so no edges gonna be coming up. And I don't think I put the glue so far. Yeah. Be right back. Okay, so we're gonna use some foundation. Let's see how it goes. If not, we're gonna spray that thing that I have, cause I ain't got time. I really don't got time for this. Hope this is my color. I'm not even sure. I'm not a makeup kind of person. Okay, so this is the wig. We're just gonna do it so we can cut the air off, and then we're gonna glue it and make sure it's on. I'm gonna cut it up. Ugh. Look what happened to my comb. Gotta buy a new one. But so far so good. Not bad. Oh, let me put it down. There we go. Cute. Okay, now we're just gonna deal with the rest. I'm just gonna spray this on it. Might spray it on top of it too. Got it. It's a tinted lace. It's in medium, yeah, medium brown. Nice. So far so good. Okay, so far so good, right? I sprayed the thing on. I'm gonna be using my mirror since my big mirror, my battery died for my light. So way over here. I like how it's like in my face, but yep. Now I'm gonna glue it on. Put the glue on. I'm gonna be right back when I put the glue on because I gotta see and I don't wanna. So I'll be right back. I did say I was gonna come back when I put the glue on, but I'm just gonna do it right here. Yeah, just gonna do it right here. I'm gonna put it on the cap and your skin so it can stick. So when we add it in, because we're not gonna add it in yet, but like, nah, actually not yet. I don't feel like it. Oh, look at my graduation in high school. My Juice WRLD poster. That's me. That's my diploma, associate's diploma, and another picture of me. I'm gonna get some more pictures of me. Oh, and that's my anime, Naruto. Shit, my back hurts. I think I'm gonna sit down and do the rest. Yeah. So far it looks like it dry. You see how dry that thing dry quick. I'm gonna add some more second dose. but one second, I'll be right back. Okay, so far, I think it's in the middle. Let's go put our headband on. Don't stop. Okay, gonna let it be there for a little bit. I think I messed up, but so far so good. Did I put it in the middle? I just hope I put it in the middle. I'll be so pissed it's not in the middle. I'll be so pissed. Oh my gosh. I'll be back when it's there, like laid, or when I'm cutting the lace. Okay, we're back. Now let's see. I'm just gonna, don't even know if it's straight or not. I'm just gonna cut. I'm just gonna cut this other side too. I'm supposed to bend do this, but my camera, I don't have no space on my phone. I gotta buy a camera. I'm gonna cut this off of here and I'll be back. So now I'm just adding some more glue because to keep it together, but I'm adding it somewhere else. So I'll be back when I add the glue and then tie it down. Okay. Hey Alexa, turn the light on.
Okay.
Just gonna spray. Oopsie, wrong part. See, I can't see with this chisel. I think I sprayed it right. I don't know. I don't really see in this camera in my mirror. I can't take my light to my mirror. So it is what it is. So we're just gonna tie this down. Okay, not bad. Could do better, right? Could do better. Actually, it looks cute. Yeah. Is good? Yeah, I think so too. I'll leave it how it is. I'm just gonna tie it down. Let me add some of this on there. Not bad, right? Sticking on stuff. I don't want it to stain. I feel like it's gonna stain it. It's fine. It's black. Leave this in. Then I'm gonna come back, show you the finished look, and yeah, that's how I installed my first wig and cutting the lace and all that. It was a struggle, but I did good, right? Like it You asked me how I did this? They don't know. Magic. Magic, right? Okay, I should just did it in the bathroom this whole time. But I didn't know how to set it up. Right back, and I'll take off and show you how it looks. I'm actually gonna show you in my room, so let's go there. Okay, here we go. Up and personal. I did good, right? Well, somewhat. But I did so good, right? I like this color. So, this is all for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. If you're new, even though I don't have plenty followers, it's nice to be watched by less people. And of course, I watch it for myself. I don't even care, but if you're new to this, follow.